Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the upcoming supercar from Lamborghini, the Lamborghini Revuelto. Lamborghini is known for its sleek and powerful cars, and the Revuelto is set to continue this tradition in 2023. The Lamborghini Revuelto is a stunning piece of engineering, designed to turn heads wherever it goes. The car's sleek and aerodynamic body is inspired by fighter jets, and its sharp lines and aggressive styling make it look like it's ready to take on the world. The Revuelto's body is made entirely of lightweight carbon fiber, which not only gives it incredible strength but also reduces its overall weight. The car's large air intakes and active aerodynamic system help to keep the car stable at high speeds and provide maximum downforce on the track. The Lamborghini Revuelto is powered by a V12 engine that produces over 800 horsepower. The engine is mated to a 7-speed automatic transmission that allows the car to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The top speed of the Revuelto is expected to be around 220 miles per hour. The Revuelto features Lamborghini's advanced all-wheel drive system, which helps to provide maximum traction in all driving conditions. The car also has advanced suspension that allows it to handle corners and curves with ease. The interior of the Lamborghini Revuelto is just as impressive as its exterior. The cabin is designed to be both luxurious and functional, with premium materials and advanced technology throughout. The car features a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system that allows you to control everything from the air conditioning to the audio system. The seats are made of premium leather and offer both comfort and support during long drives. The Lamborghini Revuelto is set to be one of the most impressive supercars of 2023. Its stunning design, powerful engine, and advanced technology make it a true masterpiece of engineering. If you're a fan of fast cars, then the Revuelto is definitely one to watch. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.